Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Fromm with Mercury Security. Welcome back to the Mercury Minute. All right, let's get right to it and talk about AES Encryption, the superhero of secure data. But as you know, superheroes also have their kryptonite. AES, which stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, is a type of symmetric encryption. And what that means is use the same key to lock and unlock, or to encrypt and decrypt your data. It's sort of like that baseball coach on third base who's throwing hand signs to the runners and to the batters, telling them whether to bunt or steal, and the other team's sitting there trying to guess what those signs are. That coach is encrypting his message, and the runner and the batter are both decrypting their message, but they know the secret key, whereas the other team, they don't know the key. Here's the really good news about AES encryption. Cracking AES itself is nearly impossible. For my super math geeks out there, here's how it breaks down. For AES 128, there's a ton of possibilities. In fact, 3.4 times 10 to the 38th power total possibilities. That's right, that's 3.4 with 38 zeros at the end of it. And AES 256, that's even tougher. It's 1.1 times 10 to the 77th power. That number's so large that your brain's probably short-circuiting even thinking about it. And for those wanting to learn a new word today, that's 110 quadrivigintillion total possibilities with AES 256. Those numbers are so massive that it's roughly equal to the number of particles in the universe. It's insane. Putting this a different way, if we took the world's fastest computers on Earth and we dedicated all of their processing power into guessing AES 256, well, they would be busy guessing keys long after humanity has left this planet multiple times over. So no doubt, AES is incredibly secure. But here's the kicker and the possible kryptonite for AES encryption. The weakest link isn't the math, it's how you handle your keys or how you secure your keys. If you're sharing your keys over unencrypted email, scribbling it on a napkin, putting it in a folder named passwords, then you're basically just inviting hackers to steal your keys. Going back to that baseball analogy from earlier, if the other team figures out your hand signs, they're basically decrypting your message and stopping the play before it even happens. That's why keeping those signs secret is everything. Keep your keys safe. And for the nerds in the audience, we call that secure key management. So remember, AES encryption is super secure, but if you get sloppy with your key management, don't be surprised when somebody steals your keys and uses them against you. Tune in next Monday morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, where we'll tackle the very first segment of our end-to-end encryption story, the credential to the reader. That's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.